I am going to give you a tour of the city of Ajo, is how you pronounce it. And it's a Spanish term that means garlic.
We are day 18 of our 28-day Southwest adventure. It's what we call a 0 day.
We are at the Sonoran Desert Inn with beautiful red little flowers here in the middle of this courtyard. My buddy Carl said there's not much here, but it's a quaint little town. We'll show you around.
Welcome to Ajo, Arizona, a small town of about 3,000 people located just 43 miles from the Mexican border. It also happens to be the closest town to the Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument, which makes it a super convenient base for exploring the area. We definitely recommend staying here if you're planning a trip to the monument. We ended up staying at the Sonoran Desert Inn after a spontaneous little trip across the border into Mexico, followed by an afternoon soaking in the quiet beauty of the Sonoran Desert inside Organ Pipe National Monument. If you want to see what that part of the adventure looked like, check out the links in the description below.
See, Curly's is kind of stuff over here. I had to really search for this place. This is where they got good stuff here, Betty. Curly's is the local place, man. Tammy and Larry would love Curly's.
For those of you that don't know what a 0 day is, in backpacking terms, it's a day that you do basically nothing or mundane chores.
But having a smoothie is part of a 0 day, right, Betty?
That's right.
No, I'm not. Well, wait a minute.
It
That's
looks
it.
like
That's a lemon tree right there.
January.
The lemons are in bloom.
Wow, I like
I bet
these
you
red
it's-
flowers.
Look at this, man.
Ajo has deep roots in Arizona's mining history. In fact, it was the first town in the state to produce high-grade copper, starting back in the 1880s. Mining operations continued until 1985. These days, Ajo is known for its artsy vibe, desert scenery, and its connection to the surrounding natural wonders. The town has really leaned into its creative side. The town plaza was just a short walk from where we stayed. It is a beautiful example of Spanish colonial revival architecture. It's been revitalized with galleries, shops, and cafes, and it serves as a hub for local events and art. Unfortunately for us, we were there on a Sunday afternoon, and everything was closed. So heads up if you're planning your visit. One unexpected highlight we had was when we ran into a group of wild javelinos while exploring around town. Those are javelinos. Stop the car. This was a first for us. Definitely added some excitement to the trip. Oh, they're gonna attack us.
They're mean, too. You get near them, they're mean. They're in the woods.
Yeah, alright, they finally went undercover. Oh, yeah, there's another one. I think there's like a whole bunch.
All right, Betty, how'd you like your 0 day in Ajo?
Very relaxing. We walked around the town square, and you are the one that got your wish, which was to watch the Bills game.
We went into Fat Cactus, watched the Bills game. They had 4 big flat screens with the game on every one of them.
About to blast your ears out, though. I had to leave on the third quarter because my ears.
We had pizza and wings and Fat Cactus. There was 2 other Bills fans there with Bill shirts on other than me. So I stayed watched the whole game. Betty couldn't handle it. She left after the third quarter.
The Bills won, though, so Vito was very happy. Overall, Ajo surprised us in the best way. It was a mix of history, art, desert landscapes, and a few wild encounters. Worth a stop if you're anywhere near southern Arizona.